Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Apple Pay for convenient in-store purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up contactless payments. Step 1. Ensure you have an iPhone 6 or later, Apple Watch, or compatible device that supports Apple Pay. Step 2. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This app comes pre-installed on all compatible devices. Step 3. Tap the plus sign icon in the upper right corner to add a new card to Apple Pay. Step 4. You can add a credit or debit card by using your iPhone camera to scan it or by entering the card details manually. Step 5. Follow the prompts to verify your card with your bank, which may involve receiving a verification code via text or email. Step 6. Once verified, your card is now active in Apple Pay and ready for use. Step 7. To make an in-store purchase, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment reader and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Step 8. Wait for the check mark and confirmation on your screen indicating the payment was successful. Your purchase is complete securely and quickly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.